I'm really excited to come to my next checkup because here at Dentistry at Its Finest, they really take care of me. They make sure that all my needs are taken care of. They work with me on the payments and everything like that. And I've just had the best dental health I've ever had in my entire life ever since I started coming here. They look after you. They're my friends. They're my dentist, obviously. Should we do that again?
No, that was so good.
That was good. You know, you said you were excited. I'm still taping. I was excited for your excitement. I mean, it is exciting to take care of your dental needs.
It really is. And I mean, I know it's painful, but with that being said, I don't know how they do it, but it's magical, like how excited I am to come and get these things taken care of.
No, that's amazing. I'm glad.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming.
Of course.
Thank you.